where they have the volley court. This is also funded by the...
That is in Hura.
Yeah. Funded by the resorts, is it?
Yes. And here we have the cemetery.
Oh.
And that building there, the white one, that is the first mosque of the island. Yeah. Yeah, and that is a well. So mosques usually have wells, but the current modern mosques they don't have wells. They have taps.
Oh. You have to clean up before reading.
Yeah.
Excellent.
You have to take ablution, and usually to take ablution with a well like this, like 2 of the cups is enough for you to take ablution. But now with running water, like you waste 21 liters per person to take ablution. So.
Excellent, excellent. There is enough scope for development in Maldives. Enough scope for development in Maldives. There is a potential. There is really potential place.
Yeah.
This is the public property or
Yeah, this is all public. As in the people of the island who own, these are like their homes.
So since the population of the island got more, they had to build a bigger mosque, and this is the bigger mosque of the island. It's not new, but they had to build a bigger one because of the amount of people.
to accommodate all the people?
Yeah. Because Friday prayer is where everyone, all the male population will congregate to pray.
Women are not coming.
Yeah, for Friday prayer they would not.
Other than they are coming.
Other than that, they can if they want to, but it's for them. There's space where, for example, since they are like homeowners, home runners, they can pray at home as well.
Pura mangrove.
Yeah, Pura mangrove.